Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Malik Farouk, Bayes Higher Secondary from Bayes Higher Secondary Lingate. Before starting heredity, the subtopic of principle of inheritance and variation. There is a there is an important point which we call it difference between continuous and discontinuous variation. This is one of the important points in case of variation when we are dealing with it. We are dealing with the topic of principles of inheritance and variation. We have told so far about variation. What are variations? There are two types of variations: somatic and germinal or belastogenic. After that, there is a point which we call difference between continuous and discontinuous variation. Very, very important point for the students. They should know these points. There are 7 major points. We will draw a chart. We will differentiate between continuous and discontinuous variation. The characters of this difference are: number first, definition, existence, alternative name, stability and inheritance, reason, curve, appearance. Let us start with the continuous variation and discontinuous variation. First of all, definition. Continuous variation. They refer to small, indistinct difference from the average normal condition. They refer to small, indistinct difference. Indistinct, those differences which are not distinct, which are not so much clear. If we define continuous variation, they refer to small, choti si, indistinct, not visible difference from an average normal condition. But when we go to the discontinuous variation, they refer to large, conspicuous difference from the parents. Discontinuous variation में आपको नुमाया तब्दीली मिलेगी, conspicuous. Number second, existence. Existence, they are already present in population. If we talk about continuous variation, they are already present in the एक आबादी में पहले ही मौजूद आपको मिलेंगे, आपको वहाँ इनकी presence मिलेगी. But as far the discontinuous variation is concerned, there are new variations through similar variations might have occurred previously. There are new variations. Though similar variations might have occurred previously. यानी अगर हम बात करेंगे डिसकंटिन्यूस वेरिएशन की, दे आर न्यू वेरिएशंस, ये नई नहीं है एक पॉपुलेशन में. दो सिमिलर वेरिएशंस माइट हैव ऑकर्ड प्रीवियसली, उनसे पहले ये तब्दीलियां एक पॉपुलेशन में आई होंगी, दे माइट हैव ऑकर्ड. नंबर थर्ड जो है वो है अल्टरनेटिव नेम. यानी इस वक्त हम टॉपिक जो पढ़ रहे हैं वो है कंटिन्यूस वेरिएशन and discontinuous variation, and there is a difference between continuous and discontinuous. It might be asked in the exams. It's very, very important point and always are being asked to the students in the exams. Number first, definition. Number second, existence. Number third, alternative name. Continuous variations are also known as fluctuations. यानी continuous variations को हम दूसरा नाम देते हैं fluctuations, up and down variations. Those variations which go up and down, which exist fluctuating, यानी ये फ्लक्चुएट करते हैं, अप एंड डाउन करते हैं, ऊपर नीचे इनका जो सीमित है वो हो जाती है. डिसकंटिन्यूस वेरिएशंस आर आल्सो कॉल्ड म्यूटेशंस और सपोर्ट्स. डिसकंटिन्यूस वेरिएशन का इनको हम फ्लक्चुएशंस कहते हैं. यहाँ डिसकंटिन्यूस वेरिएशंस को हम दूसरा नाम जो है वो है म्यूटेशंस और सपोर्ट्स. दूसरा नाम इनका है म्यूटेशंस थ्रू म्यूटेंट्स. नंबर 4 जो इनका मेन चीज डिफरेंस, दैट इज स्टेबिलिटी एंड इनहेरिटेंस. स्टेबिलिटी एंड इनहेरिटेंस, दे आर यूजुअली अनस्टेबल एंड नॉन इनहेरिटेबल. दे आर यूजुअली अनस्टेबल, इनका कोई मुस्तकिल मिजाज नहीं है, किनका, कंटिन्यूस वेरिएशंस का, एंड नॉन इनहेरिटेबल, इनका ये दे डजंट इनहेरिट फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू नेक्स्ट. But in case of discontinuous variation, they are usually stable and heritable. ये stable भी है, इनका एक मुस्तकिल ये है, they are permanent and they are heritable or they are transmitted from one generation to next. Number 5 जो इनका वो है reason. Number 5 character of difference is reason. पहला था definition, दूसरा existence, तीसरा alternative name, चौथा stability and inheritance, and number 5 reason. Such variations are due to chance segregation of genes during gamete formation, crossing over, or chance combination during fertilization. Such variations are due to chance segregation. यानी अगर during gamete formation में कुछ change हो जाती है, मतलब crossing over of chromosomes और recombination और combination during fertilization, तो वहाँ जो रिजल्ट आएगा दैट इज कंटिन्यूस वेरिएशन. लेकिन these variations are produced by change in genes or genome. लेकिन जो discontinuous variation है, these variations are produced, ये variations तैयार हो जाती है या बन जाती है by change in genes. genes में कुछ तगैर तब्दील हो जाता है, और जीनोम यानी जीन पूल जो है इसमें कुछ तब्दीली आ सकती है, तो तब जाके discontinuous variation बन सकती है. Number 6 curve means graph. They can be represented by a smooth curve. Continuous variation जो है they can be represented, यानी हम इनको एक ग्राफ के जरिए, स्मूथ कर्व के जरिए रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. बट इन केस ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूस वेरिएशन ए कर्व इज नॉट प्रोड्यूस, यहाँ कोई कर्व वगैरह नहीं बनता है. नंबर लास्ट जो है वो है नंबर 7, लास्ट इसका जो कैरेक्टर है दैट इज कंटिन्यूस वेरिएशंस में are very common and found in all organisms and in most of their organs. Continuous variations जो हैं they are very common. ये आम है, आम यानी इनको हम ये बोलते हैं कि ये मतलब हम अक्सर मिल सकती हैं. and found in all organisms, और तमाम ऑर्गन में मिल सकते हैं. and most of their organs, और उनके जो ऑर्गन्स हैं मतलब जितने भी ऑर्गन्स एक बॉडी में हो जाते हैं उनमें आपको मिल सकते हैं. But in case of discontinuous variation, they appear suddenly and in few cases only. लेकिन discontinuous variation का है जो है they appear suddenly, अचानक से जाहिर हो जाती है, and in few cases only, और कुछ cases में. So this was the topic, difference between continuous and discontinuous variation. Very very important topic from the examination point of view. Thank you. In the next topic we will deal with the heredity. Heredity is the next important topic. Thanks for watching.